Hey there, I want to hop on and show you really quickly up close about these dishwashing detergent sheets. I was really skeptical about these. Do they actually really clean? What are they like? I know I've seen them for laundry, but I never saw them for a dishwasher. So let's take a look. So they are these small little sheets, tiny, like smaller than a 3x5 card. They smell amazing. You can basically just place them in the bottom rack of your dishwasher, or you can fold them up and put them in the little dispenser here. So that's totally up to you. Like I said, they smell heavenly. I want to show you, I ran a load last night, and I just want to show you how things came out glass-wise, no spots, clean as a whistle. I was really excited about that. Let me show you down here. Here's another glass item. Came out really nicely. Nice and clean. Silverware. Again, overall, I was like really impressed with this. This would be great for if you're going to an Airbnb and you need to bring your own like dishwashing, dishwasher detergent. Or just great if you want to use them at home. Like I said, they smell so good and everything came out so super clean. I'm really happy with it. So anyway, give them a try. The company did send these to me so I could give you this up close look. Hope it helped.